When I was a kid, I loved to draw. And the most talented artist I knew was my mother. But my mother was addicted to heroin.
This is Fresh Air. I'm Terry Gross. My guest is nominated for a National Book Award for his memoir, Hey Kiddo. It's a graphic memoir geared to young adults. But I'm an adult, and I loved it. Krosoczka is also known for his series of graphic novels, including Lunch Lady, as well as arcs in the Star Wars Jedi Academy series.
The hero in an apron instead of a cape. Tributes to the nation's cafeteria workers and other heroes. Take a look.
When my first book was published, it was 2001, and I went back to my old elementary school and looked across the room, and there she was. It was Jeannie, and there she was. It was Betty, the beloved lunch ladies of my youth. And I thought, well, wouldn't that be a really cool thing to just do something on her birthday where kids could just do something nice? And it's just grown exponentially since then.
It's the TED Radio Hour. I'm Guy Raz. This is Jarrett Krosoczka. He's an author and illustrator. Listening to your story, it's sort of clear that the idea of being mentored can be a fleeting moment.
I'm Michelle Norris, and recently I got to go back to school when NPR's Backseat Book Club rolled over to Walker Jones in Washington, D.C. We brought along Jarrett Krosoczka, author and illustrator of the popular Lunch Lady book series. Just look at him draw that lunch lady. He makes it look so easy. He started drawing as a kid and never stopped.
Krosoczka says art holds an invaluable place in his life.
It's an escape portal. The act of just physically making it is something that is good for my mental health.
Now he's working to give children around the world that same opportunity. He regularly posts videos teaching art and comic techniques.
We will continue to have so much fun making something out of nothing.